So, you've decided to do some online video marketing. You've made your amazing eye-catching video. You've set up your social media accounts, and you know exactly what to do.
No.
Relax, it's really simple. You need your About Us video as an introduction. Then you need your social media videos for continuous marketing. Your About Us video is renewed at least once a year and your social media videos at least weekly or monthly. Your About Us video can be about your company or your products and services your company provides, and can be placed on your website and hosted online on many video platforms. Your social media videos can be teaser clips from events, typography videos that turn basic messages into an interesting and attractive video. For weekly posts on Twitter, video blogs keep your audience engaged with your company and keep you connected to them. Even fun animated clips can be used to stay in your potential clients' minds. These can be shared across the world. Okay, at least across the internet around the world, including YouTube, LinkedIn, and many others. And now you're an expert in your field of online video marketing. Okay, not quite, but we can help you get there. Call Absolutely AV on 462-7816 or email info@abav.co.za.